Hi, I'm Jules Nyquist. We're here in beautiful Placitas, New Mexico at the Poetry Playhouse. I've got a new book coming out December 31st, 2020. It's called Atomic Paradise, and I want you to be the first to know. These are poems about nuclear war, about growing up in the Cold War. We remember that. Now I'm living in New Mexico. These are poems about Robert Oppenheimer and the bomb, about apocalypse, about nuclear war, about poetry and healing, and the next steps we may take. Atomic Paradise, coming December 31st. For more info, go to poetryplayhouse.com. That's poetryplayhouse.com. We'll see you then.